Finally got my Maggio 60 back. I had it soldered and desoldered by one of my friends here. Thank you. Big thanks to Jed Pakubat. Now I'm running it with the Gateron CJs again. Very unique sound profile, very smooth stock. I love these switches. And this is my first time to have a half plate build keyboard, and I like it. It's a FR4 half plate build. It's very bouncy and very soft. The typing feel is so good, and I'm really enjoying this keyboard right now. I do have another PCB which is Max by Jed as well, so we'll be having more sound tests in the next few days. So stay tuned, guys, and really awesome, really awesome. The typing feel and the sound of the gummy O-ring mounting style is very unique. So that's it for now. See ya.